Hi everyone, it's Sierra. Since I tend to go on nature walks a lot, I thought it would be nice to share the benefits of doing so with you all today and why I do it. Personally, I prefer to exercise outdoors rather than inside the house or a gym or studio sort of place. What's also very nice is that it's completely free and it's accessible for many people. You can even go with kids, pets, or by yourself. In my opinion, it is easy to fit into your schedule. You get some fresh air and you get to get away from the stress of everyday life, even if it's just a short 15-minute walk. A tip that I have for going out on nature walks is to, of course, always be mindful of the area that you're going to, any possible wildlife, weather, the environment, as well as any poisonous plants or anything that you may be allergic to stay clear of that. Sometimes when you're on a nature walk, the weather can suddenly change. When I was on one of my morning walks, it started to rain. So as I headed back, I enjoyed a little bit of the rain. Nature walks are a great way to connect with nature, and it also helps to ground you. Whether you're in a woodland, a local park, a lake, a forest trail, the mountains, it can really just help you to disconnect from the stress of everyday life and give you a bit of exercise and fresh air. I also find it to be a nice form of meditation. For me, it's like going on a short adventure, and I truly enjoy observing all of the different seasonal changes in nature. As I record this video, it is currently October and the beautiful season of autumn. embracing this beautiful season and tending to my garden. I find that nature walks are all encompassing. They bring peace, a bit of exercise, fresh air, and they help to calm the mind. Nature walks certainly benefit us in many ways. For me, it is very therapeutic to walk down to the lake and just enjoy a nice, quiet morning by myself, watching the waves and just having a gentle walk around the lake and all of the forestry around. It feels wonderful to be out on the hiking trail in the forest with not too many people around, and you're just having a nice, slow morning. Whenever I pick flowers or forage something from my local woodland, I am always mindful to leave more than enough for nature and for wildlife. When I'm out in my garden or out in my local woodland, it opens my eyes to the fact that there's so much beauty all around us. I know that this is a very stressful world. However, there is still tons of beauty if we choose to look at it. That is all for today's video. I appreciate you watching, and I hope you all enjoyed the beautiful nature scenery that I captured. Bye, everyone.